Hello, welcome to the ServiceMonster Quick Start guide. In this 3-part video series, we will cover how to create an order, schedule an appointment, and create an invoice. First, let's create an order. Let's say you've just spoken with a client and you're ready to create a new order. Creating a new order is something you can do from a few different places within ServiceMonster. From the home page, you can select the Plus Order button. And from Orders within Order List, you can also select the Plus Order button. From Accounts within Account List, you can select any account and click on the New Order button. Finally, you can also create a new order from the Quick Add. The Quick Add is available from any page within ServiceMonster by clicking on the blue plus button at the top of the screen. Go ahead and open up the Quick Add. First, start typing in the name of the account and select the account you want from the matches that pop up. If this order is for a brand new account, fill in all the fields to create the new account. Next, move down to the Order tab and select which type of order you want to create. You can select from an estimate, work order, or invoice. Next, you can add in your line items, a package, a promotion, and a lead source. Once finished, simply click Save and Close, and your order is created. If you're also ready to schedule an appointment for the order, move down to the Appointment tab. Great job! You've just created your first order. Go ahead and view your new order under Orders within the Order list.